Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways. For the month of December, I am giving away the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I also have many other giveaways going on right now. The Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette, the monthly giveaway I've got going on, the 200th video that I've got that going on. I've got so much stuff, you guys. All the information is in the description box down below. It'll take you to the different videos to talk about how to enter all of my giveaways. So let's talk Ipsy. So it's $10 a month. There's usually, it's mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while they will throw in a deluxe size. I also get the Ipsy Plus. I'm kind of still waiting for that one to come in the mail. And then every once in a while I think I'm going to get the Ultimate, but most of the time I'm just going to get the Plus. I'm trying to decide whether or not to keep the sample one, because the Plus one is all full-size products and it's about $25 a month. This one, like I said, is $10 a month. There's usually 5 deluxe size samples, and every once in a while they will throw in a full size. So let me know in the description box down below if you guys think that I should still get the smaller $10 a month bag. So let's find out what's in here. So it has this cute little makeup bag. It's kind of like an emerald green on the inside. A little tag here that says Ipsy. So the card on here says shine on, sparkle and shimmer and shine. This month, let's click glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. 'Tis the season to treat yourself, and your 5 Glam Bag products are here just for you. Well, cheers to that. You were able to pick one of your items, and I picked the Belle on Argent Auteur cream lip color in the shade Click Your Heels. The full size does retail for $19. This is the mini, and how I know it's a mini is I have a full size Belle on Argent here that I love. I mean, look at this packaging. It is so gorgeous. I actually have this one on my lips right now, and this one is in the shade Smoking on Screen. So here's, ooh, it is a blue. I love red. I'm starting to try to get into red lipsticks, and this one is a blue tone red lipstick. I'm super excited. I can't do the ones that have the orange undertones, but the ones that have the blue undertones, I can do. So this says, get ready to turn heels all December long with a classic bright red lip color from Belle on Argent. It's creamy, long lasting, and super flattering on all skin types. The best part, it's healthy and hydrating thanks to the jojoba and argan oils that won't make your lips feel dry or cracky. It's a win-win. Tip, quickly exfoliate your lips with a scrub before swiping on 2 full coats of this bright red shade. Don't have one? A little sugar and honey is a great substitute in a pinch. I mean, look at that. It's so gorgeous. How gorgeous. And I love that it has the pink kind of blue undertone to it. Love, love, love this. I'm super excited for this one for the holidays. So I am in my brother's wedding coming up on New Year's Eve, and my soon-to-be new sister-in-law wants us all to wear like a super bright red lip, so this will be perfect for the wedding. I'm excited. And Belle on Argent is a cruelty-free brand, as well as Tarte. So what we have here is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park Avenue Princess. Get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter with a golden bronzer powder. from Always on Trend brand Tarte, made with clarifying bronzer and soothing Amazonian clay. It goes on silky smooth and blends easily without streaks. This long wear formula lasts all day and no need for touch-ups. Tip, dust this golden bronzer on your lids to make a super flattering natural eyeshadow color. And here is what this one looks like. So I'm not going to swatch this. So the full size of this does retail for $30. I'm not going to swatch it because I've already started setting stuff aside for our 600th, for our 700th subscriber, and I have a huge one coming up in January. I've got something really, really big and special in that one for our 1-year anniversary. So be on the lookout for this and a future giveaway. By Benefit Cosmetics is the POREfessional Face Primer. It is dewy party season, a good primer like this oil-free one from Benefit, known as the innovative and fun makeup. It's key to fresh, long-lasting. It minimizes the appearance of pores, smooths fine lines, and leaves your skin with a matte finish. It's a perfect prep step for your makeup application. Tip, use this primer before foundation and stash it in your bag to tone down shine during the day. Just a tiny bit in your T-zone, and any other oil areas that you have got on will instantly mattify it. You guys, this retails for $64, the full size. It's a value size, but yeah, 64 bucks. From H2O, Oasis is a hydrating treatment. Tis the season for seriously skin-quenching formulas, and this moisture-packed treatment from thirsty skin experts H2O Plus is proven to double the skin's hydration levels for up to 24 hours. That'll be good. It's pretty major, plus lightweight texture, absorbs in seconds, leaves your skin looking plump and smooth, never greasy. Tip, the order in which you apply skincare matters. Use this moisturizer after cleansing, toning, and applying your serum to make the most of the hydrating skin plumping benefits. I don't know if I've tried like a skin plumper. I don't know. This really intrigues me. I'm excited for this one. And it is also cruelty free. Full size of this just retail for $38. Lastly, by Aromatica is a Rose Absolute First Serum. Oversleep and need to speed through your routine? This toner and serum will tackle 2 skincare steps in one. Made with natural plants and herbs, which Aromatica is known for. It balances, hydrates, and illuminates your skin with Bulgarian damask rose oil and Vera and niacinamide. It has niacinamide in it. Wow. Tip, use 3 drops of the serum on clean, dry skin in the morning and night. Press it onto your skin using fingertips and let it sink in before applying the next step of your routine. This will be great to try out this evening. So what did you guys think of this bag? I thought this was a pretty good bag for Ipsy. It's one of the better ones, I think, that I've had in a while, and I'm so excited for this shade. It's amazing. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.